Good afternoon. My name is Douglas Kunda. I want to present on data mining and machine learning, and particularly on the topic of big data and Hadoop. This is part of the Master's in Computer Science course from Lungush University. I just want to introduce what big data is. According to Gartner, a big data is high volume, high velocity, high variety of information assets that are cost-effective, innovative forms of information processing that enable us to have insight and help us to make decisions. And they are basically four V's that are important when we're talking about big data, which is in the definition. First is volume. Here we're not talking about megabytes or gigabytes. We are talking about zettabytes of data that are being stored. Let's talk about YouTube, let's talk about Facebook. There's so much data that is generated on a daily basis, and this data is in different forms. It could be videos, it could be images, it could be texts. So the variety, that is the second V. Then also the rate at which this information is captured, the velocity. For example, the New York Stock Exchange captures 1 terabyte of trade information each session. But also we need this big data, excuse me, to have good quality data, and therefore the veracity of the data is important. Now I'd like to introduce one of the databases that we can use for storing up big data, and I want to introduce to you Apache Hadoop. What is it? It's a database system, it's a software platform that allows us to easily write and run data-related applications. It is conveniently scalable, meaning that when you have little data, as you continue to add the data, it becomes better and better and better every day. It also facilitates processing and manipulating massive amount of data. The design. Hadoop basically is based on Hadoop Distributed File System, HDFS, which is a part of the design of Hadoop, and that's what make it big data. We also have what we call MapReduce, which is part of the Hadoop. In the version 2 of Hadoop, we have another innovation called yet another resource.